Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome to this video. On this occasion, we will discuss the automatic plant watering system, which is very useful for anyone who has a garden or plants at home. We will discuss starting from the use of this system, its component, to how to install the cables properly. So make sure to stay tuned until the end. Part 1. Using the automatic watering system. What is an automatic watering system? An automatic watering system is a technological solution for watering plants in a more efficient and practical way. With this system, you no longer need to water your plants manually every day. This system will work automatically, ensuring that your plants get the water they need without any direct intervention. Advantage of using an automatic watering system. Time and energy efficiency. You no longer need to worry about taking the time every day to water your plants. This system works automatically according to the schedule you set. Water saving. The automatic watering system can be set to flow water in the right volume according to the needs of the plants. This helps reduce water waste. Keep plants healthy. Plants will be watered with the right amount of water, according to the weather conditions and their specific needs. This system helps prevent plants from becoming dry or waterlogged. Flexibility. Some automatic watering systems come with timer or soil moisture sensors, allowing you to adjust the setting as needed. Part 2. Automatic watering system components. There, it takes about 3 minutes or more. There are several main components used in an automatic water system. Let's go through them one by one. The first one is microbit. You must have known what is a microbit, or yeah. So it is like the head or the device that you put your code in. The next one is water pump. This is a water pump. The water pump is used to push water into the irrigation channels. In more sophisticated system, the pump can be connected to a moisture sensor to control when the pump operates, or soil sensor. The second one is pipes or hoses. This is a hose. Pipes or hoses are used to transport water from the source to the plants. You can choose the size and type of pipe according to the needs of your garden or plants. The second one is soil sensor. This is soil sensor. And sorry for the bad picture quality. So an Arduino soil sensor refers to a soil moisture sensor that can be connected to an Arduino microcontroller to measure soil moisture levels and automatic irrigation or other system based on the readings. This setup allows hobbyists, gardeners, and even agricultural enthusiasts to create their own smart irrigation systems. The next one is Jack DC. What this is a Jack DC. What is a jack DC? A DC jack for Arduino is a standard parallel jack connector used to provide power to an Arduino board. This connector is commonly used when you want to power the Arduino using an external power supply, such as 12-volt DC adapter or battery pack, rather than using the USB connection. The next one is IO bit Wi-Fi. It is used to connect all of the to all of the components. And finally, the last one is a relay. A relay. A relay is a relay in the context of Arduino refers to an electromechanical switch that can be controlled by the Arduino to turn on off or off high voltage device such as lights, motors, or home appliances. The relay acts as an intermediary that allows the low voltage Arduino typically operating at 5 volt to control device to recover higher voltage or current, typically 110 volt or 220 volt AC or DC device. So, so the next one that I want to show you is the wiring for automatic warning system. Now we will discuss the wiring of the water system. Correct, the wiring is very important for the system to run properly and efficiently. So, yeah, wait a minute. Okay, so moving on to the wiring system. So, firstly, I connect this microbit to the IO-bit Wi-Fi shield. So, I connect it, and then for the pins, yes, right here. Wait a minute. For the pin 5, I connect it to the soil moisture. First to the, I don't know what this called, it's part of the soil moisture, and then this one, look on the code right here. Wait a minute, sorry if it's blurry. So later I'll edit it. So in here there's VCC, if you can't see it, wait a minute. Actually there's VCC, GND, DO and AO. DO is digital output, and AO is analog output. So there's 4 of these actually. For 1, 2, 3, 4. So the pins that is not connected is the digital output, because we want to connect it to the analog output. Right here, the left one. This is the analog output. This one. Wait. And then 2 of these are the GND and VCC, and we connected to the GND to GND and VCC to VCC, and the analog output to the pin 4. Actually, sorry, I told you it was 5, but it was 4. I didn't see it properly. And then for the relay, let's see, wait a minute. And for the relay, there's 3 pins, and wait a minute, there's 3 pins right here. There's N, GND and VCC. Sorry, it's a little bit blurry, I don't know why. So there's like N, GND and VCC. So I connected the GND and VCC to the GND to G black pins right here, the black one, and then the VCC to VCC or V, the red line ones right there. And then from the water pump, I connected the black wire. I think it's the minus, or the VCC one, I forgot. No, this is the GND one, to the minus side, to the minus hole right here. If you can actually see, it's a little bit blurry, but yeah, you get the point. To the minus. And then I connected the red wire, or VCC, the positive one, to the COM right here. This is normally closed, and C, COM, and this is normally open. But I don't know, it's a little bit different depending on your relay. For me, the normally open, or the NO1, is on the left side right here. This is normally open, and then this is COM. So I connected the red wire right here. I added another cable, or another wire, and then I connected to the COM side, the COM hole right here. And then for the normal open, I connected from this jack DC, and then from the positive side, because the minus side is already connected to the black wire from the water pump, we connected another one from the positive side here to the normally open on the relay. And then right here I connected from the relay to the pin 0 right here. Like below the 0 there's text that says AIN. That's I connected to the pin 0, and yeah, that's how we connect it. And the next one is the code. So yeah, let's move to the code. So today let's move on to the code. So right here, sorry for the blurry image. So right here, I add the code right here on start. Set soil moisture to analog read pin P0. Yeah, that's for the soil. Actually, it's a little bit different right here. Um, for because I just connected the soil to the P4 pin 4. You can set this to analog read pin P4. But if you connect it to other pins, just what set to your pin. The next one is serial write value soil moisture to soil moisture. So this is the set soil moisture. It's a variable. So the variable to I just created the variable named soil moisture. Okay, so you can set the right value soil moisture to the variable soil moisture. And then the next one is for forever. If value of soil moisture, right here I just use what what the new one below 50, then digital right pin P5 to 1 and show icon, and then show icon like he is not smiling, he is sad, and then pause 2 seconds, and then else digital right pin P5. I think just the P5 is just set it to P0 because we just connected the relay to P0, and then digital right pin P0 to 0 show icon smiling, and then pause 1 second. So the digital wire pin P0 to 1, it's for like watering the plant, so it will light up or it will switch on the relay, and then it will pump the water for 2 seconds, and then if it's dry or the soil moisture doesn't detect like the humidity or what or the soil is dry, it will show icon smiley face, and then it will pause for 1 second. So maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.